Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and as always, first things first, if you're watching this on Instagram, then please go back to my YouTube channel and like, share, follow and subscribe. And if you're watching this on YouTube, then please check out my Instagram profile as well. So yeah, you know the drill by now. Okay, so please for now completely ignore my background. It's little messy today because my owner had to shift things here and there, so yeah, because of that, so we'll completely just ignore it for today. And today we are here to talk about lipsticks. Yeah, lipsticks. My all-time favorite brand, which is Sugar, and I just absolutely love it. So I am wearing this brand only now. Also I am wearing the Sugar mini liquid lipstick, and I have taken out 5 lipsticks which are my favorite, and I believe you all should give it a try once, because these are just mini lipsticks and you can have as much as you like. And it comes in a container like this, which is pretty cute and pretty convenient to carry also. And yeah, the prices are also very nice, very affordable. So let's get started. So the first lipstick which I'm wearing right now is this one by Sugar, and it's called Rethink Pink, which is shade number 07. So I'm wearing this only right now. I hope you liked it. This is the first lipstick, and in total I have 5. Okay, so I'll just quickly remove it and apply the next one. I think I should get a mirror. Just give me a minute. So I've got a mirror for myself, and you know what the tough part is, that it's completely smudge free, so it's little bit difficult to remove, but let's keep on trying. Yeah. So I've removed the lipstick, and now we are going to try shade number 30, which is Ginny. The shade name is Ginny, and as the name says, it works wonder. So let's try this one. Okay, the application is also really very easy. It just spreads all over by itself. So I'll just first outline it and then apply all over. So this is how it looks like. It's actually the lighter shade of the previous one, and the drill is, if you want a lighter, not very bright, then you have to just apply 1 coat of it, and if you want the darker one, just apply 2 coats of it. As simple as that. Now I am very much sure that these two shades look somehow similar, but yeah, it's because it's in the pink family. Both of these are in the pink family, and I'm a big sucker for pink color. So yeah, it's just that first one was the darker shade and this one is the lighter shade. So this is 30 Ginny. Yeah, and it gives a complete matte finish, which I love, and it's smudge free. It stays around 8 to 10 hours without a doubt. And I'll show you something. It's still there and there is nothing on this. It's flawless. It's just flawless and so smudge free. You can eat, drink without any tension at all. So that's the best part. So guys, we are going to use the third lipstick now. So the 2 lipsticks now that I'm going to show you, both are in the brown or nude family, and again, one is the darker shade, one is the lighter shade. First I'll go with the lighter one, and it's called shade Wooed by Nude. Isn't the name just amazing? And its shade number is 13, which is 13. So yeah, let's try it. I again struggle with removing my lipstick, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Let's start. And the struggle is real, guys, real. So guys, I have applied the lipstick and this is how it looks like. Now you must be wondering that all the lipsticks are looking somehow alike. Then yeah, you can say that it's because I'm using the one over another and then another and then another. So the residual lipstick remains and that's causing the color changes. But I have a solution. See, I have swatched it on my it's dirty, forget it, just ignore. It's because of my bracelet. So I've swatched it on my wrist and you can see the difference now. This was the first color, this is the second, and this is the third that I'm using right now. So this is how it looks like, the third one. And now I am going with the darker one, the chocolate brown kind of shade, and let's just use it and show it to you. Okay, now, oh, it got messy because of my stupid bracelet. That's okay, I'll just remove it quickly. So guys, this is the fourth shade, yeah, and I had to literally apply 3-4 coats of it so that you can see the color difference, and if not, then here it is, the fourth color. And I think the color difference is visible this time, which is a bonus point for us. And the shade is 14 and it's called Teak Mystique. Yeah, Teak Mystique. So yeah, that's the fourth shade we have, and now we are going for the last one, which is not a mini lipstick. Actually, I couldn't find it in the mini collection, but I loved this color, which is in the wine shade family. So let's try it, and it's called 08 Wine and Shine. So let's see how it looks. So guys, this is the darkest shade till now, which is Wine and Shine. I think it's perfect for parties, of course. I think it's perfect for parties. It's kind of bold and still very elegant, and this is how the swatch looked like. So I think the color difference is pretty visible, and you can just choose your favorite and buy it. So yeah, you should totally give it a try and let me know how it looked on you. And I'll see you next time in the next video. And then, so guys, if you have any feedbacks, please hit that comment section, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. And what else, if you want me to make videos on any topics, DM me directly. And that's it. Bye bye. I'll be signing off and see you next time. Bye bye. Keep smiling, be safe, and buy sugar lipsticks. Bye.